Hello my dear students, let's grow with grammar. Why grammar is important? Grammar is an essential part of learning English. It is the foundation for speaking and understanding English. Learners need to know English grammar rules to use the language appropriately. So, let's learn grammar. Today we are learning nouns. Today we are going to learn about what are nouns, proper nouns, common nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, and collective nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are words that name people, places, things, and ideas. They are the building blocks of sentences and help us to communicate effectively. There are different types of nouns such as common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, and collective nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for people, places, things, and ideas. They are always capitalized. Examples of proper nouns include John, New York City, Harry Potter, and Christmas. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, and ideas. They are not capitalized unless they are at the beginning of a sentence or part of a title. Examples of common nouns include dog, city, book, and happiness. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are names for things that cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. They are often feelings, emotions, or concepts. Examples of abstract nouns include love, courage, freedom, and honesty. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are names for things that can be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. They are often physical objects. Examples of concrete nouns include table, car, music, and pizza. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are names for groups of people, animals, or things. They are singular but refer to multiple individuals or objects. Examples of collective nouns include team, herd, flock, and family. Hope this video will help you to understand the grammar concepts clearly. Thank you for watching the video. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.